The murder trial in the so-called killer clown case is set to finally begin in 2 weeks, 5 years after the suspect's arrest.
Sheila Keene Warren's defense is arguing tonight that one of the only pieces of physical evidence against her could be contaminated. Investigative reporter Terry Parker joining us now with this exclusive update on the disputed evidence. Terry?
It is a mysterious clown wig fiber that Sheila Keene Warren's lawyer argues wasn't in evidence for 23 years, but somehow shows up and allegedly ties her to the crime scene.
Prosecutors say they have motive for murder, that Sheila Keene Warren wanted Marlene Warren's husband, Michael, all for herself. But what physical evidence connects Keene Warren to the 1990 murder of Marlene by someone dressed as a clown? Detectives say when they reopened the cold case in 2013, on the clown's balloon ribbons, they found a 6 to 8 inch long wig fiber, the same type of fiber allegedly found in the clown's white LeBaron getaway car, and the same type of wig fiber they also allegedly found in Keene Warren's apartment. But Keene Warren's attorney Greg Rosenfeld says that fiber could be false, that it wasn't in the evidence bags from the scene 32 years ago. In August, Rosenfeld deposed the original lead crime scene investigator, asking, "But as we discussed before, you never saw a 6 to 8 inch hair or fiber on the balloon ribbons or balloons when you visually inspected them?" Detective Harrison: "No, I did not." Neither did the fingerprint examiner, also deposed in August, saying, "I don't recall seeing hair or fiber on the ribbons." But in 2013, when PBSO detectives opened up the cold case, reviewed the stored evidence, they say they discovered the fiber and added it to the evidence list. Rosenfeld is suspicious, writing in a new motion, "Not a single detective, crime scene investigator, or crime lab analyst saw this mysterious fiber. The state intends on using this evidence to place Ms. Keene Warren at the crime scene." So how did the mysterious fiber show up? Rosenfeld points to a 1999 audit of the Sheriff's Evidence Unit, which reported evidence bags were not always sealed properly. A subsequent newspaper article noted the audit found open bags from the Warren murder case containing sample clown makeup, a clown costume, and wig. He thinks the fiber could have been transferred from somewhere else.
The state contends they also found new DNA evidence linking Keene Warren to the crime. Rosenfeld is asking the judge to order the state to dig into that 1999 evidence room audit to see exactly what happened, if that is even possible at this time. And it's sure to be something he brings up at trial in his client's defense in just 2 weeks. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.
Terry, thank you.